Axie vastness value equivalent to $8.6100 a coin, which especially is very critical. The present exchange cost range, 8.5930 8.9260 in a significant way. The earlier day close, 8.8000, which really is genuinely critical. The change most certainly was 0.1900, 2.16% in a sort of significant way. Backwards rate, USD to Axie in an essentially huge way. Axie limitlessness value expectation. In the not-so-distant future and month Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $9.05, extremely greatest 9.68, in every practical sense, least 8.42, which is genuinely huge. Axie vastness figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost $8.85, in every practical sense, greatest 9.47, truly least 8.23, or so they generally thought. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12, cost $9.20, kind of most extreme 9.84, truly least 8.56, which especially is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness conjecture on Thursday, April 13, cost $9.31, sort of most extreme 9.96, beautiful least 8.66 in an unpretentious way. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost $9.31, really most extreme 9.96, genuinely least 8.66 in a genuinely huge way. In multi-week Axie vastness gauge on Monday, April 17, cost $9.09, exceptionally most extreme 9.73, beautiful least 8.45, or so they explicitly thought. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $9.23, kind of most extreme 9.88, in every way that really matters, least 8.58, which especially is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness estimate on Wednesday, April 19, cost $9.37, exceptionally most extreme 10.03, kind of least 8.71 in a fundamentally significant manner. Axie vastness cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost $9.10, most extreme 9.74, beautiful least 8.46. Axie limitlessness conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost $9.39, sort of greatest 10.05, truly least 8.73, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Axie vastness cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $9.63, most extreme 10.30, least 8.96, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $9.19, fundamentally most extreme 9.83, kind of least 8.55, showing how Axie vastness cost commonly equivalent to $8.6100 a coin, which by and large is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $9.34, fundamentally greatest 9.99, especially least 8.69 in a genuinely significant way. Axie limitlessness estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost $9.30, greatest 9.95, sort of least 8.65 in a significant way. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $8.90, in every practical sense, greatest 9.52, especially least 8.28, which generally is very critical. In 3 weeks Axie endlessness gauge on Monday, May 1, cost $9.26, truly greatest 9.91, sort of least 8.61, which basically is very critical. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $8.72, beautiful greatest 9.33, extremely least 8.11, which in a real sense shows that all things considered, backwards rate, USD to Axie, or so they all things considered, thought. Axie limitlessness estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost $8.96, genuinely greatest 9.59, genuinely least 8.33, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $8.49, most certainly greatest 9.08, really least 7.90. Axie limitlessness gauge on Friday, May 5, cost $8.86, certainly greatest 9.48, least 8.24 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $8.68, essentially greatest 9.29, least 8.07 in an unobtrusive way. Axie Limitlessness Gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost $9.65. Most extreme 10.33, kind of least 8.97, or so they explicitly thought. USD to Axie swapping scale kind of equivalent to 0.1161 coins per $1, which sort of is very huge. Today, S-reach 0.1120-0.1164, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The past day, S nearby 0.1136 in every practical sense as opposed to mainstream thinking. Change for now plus 0.0025, plus 2.20%, which especially is very huge. USD to Axie cost conjecture for in the not-so-distant future and month, so in multi-week Axie Limitlessness Gauge on Monday, April 17, cost $9.09, sort of most extreme 9.73, in every way that really matters, least 8.45, which basically is very huge. Dollar to Axie Limitlessness Gauge on Monday, April 10, cost 0.110 coins, kind of most extreme 0.119, in every practical sense, least 0.103 in a huge way. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.113 coins, really most extreme 0.122, by and large least 0.106. Dollar to Axie boundlessness conjecture on Wednesday, April 12, cost 0.109 coins, sort of most extreme 0.117, truly least 0.102 in a significant way. USD to Axie expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 0.107 coins, greatest 0.115, kind of least 0.100 in a very huge manner. Dollar to Axie endlessness figure on Friday, April 14, cost 0.107 coins, really most extreme 0.115, by and large least 0.100, which explicitly is very huge. In multi-week USD to Axie expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 0.110 coins, especially most extreme 0.118, sort of least 0.103. By and large further appearance how Axie vastness cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $9.34, certainly greatest 9.99, certainly least 8.69, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Axie endlessness figure on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.108 coins, greatest 0.117, kind of least 0.101, which in a real sense is very critical. USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.107 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.115, lovely least 0.100 in a significant way. Dollar to Axie limitlessness conjecture on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.110 coins, most certainly greatest 0.118, genuinely least 0.103. USD to Axie expectation on Friday, April 21, cost 0.106 coins, truly most extreme 0.115, kind of least 0.100, which shows that dollar to Axie limitlessness gauge on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.110 coins, certainly greatest 0.118, truly least 0.1